Okay, so this card scraper is super dull. I'm just going to tune it up really quick. It's actually very easy to do. So I usually start by truing up this thing pretty flat. You can kind of skew this thing however you want to get sort of more rough or coarse cut. I usually put it maybe 45. I'll just go lightly across the top. Few swipes. Sometimes I'll kind of do it going in both directions. So this should give you kind of a square edge to start from. And I take the burnisher, and if that's 90 degrees, you know, I just tilt it like maybe 1 degree, maybe, just tiny, tiny bit. And then I rotate it so it's skewed. And then if you picture I'm pushing this way, I would actually also be pushing this way at the same time, which sort of rolls the metal over the edge. So I'll just kind of start here, just a little tiny bit over 90, but barely over 90. And then I just across like that. I might do 5 swipes. Too many swipes though, and you can break the burr off. So I don't want to go too crazy. I'm not pushing very hard. And then maybe I'll do the other edge. So now I'm kind of doing this side too. And this isn't really 100% kind of thing, accuracy. Seems like maybe, I don't know, 75% of the time I get it. So if I do all 4 edges, 3 of them are good. It seems like fine to me. So again, I could be doing it this way too. I'd skew this way, and then I would be pushing that way, right? So, and I mean, I'm barely holding this thing. You don't want to slip and stab yourself on the, I mean, this thing will cut you open like a chef knife, you know? So I can feel a little bit of a burr. I might tilt it just a little bit more, like maybe now I'm at, I don't know, 2 or 3 degrees. And again, I'm not pushing hard. I'm just rolling it over a little bit. Same thing here. So more so than just going straight, I'm skewing it and I'm going across it. So I'm just rolling the metal off. Now that's pretty. Got a little tiny, tiny hook, but I mean, I've barely done any work to it. We'll just see how it works. Piece of white oak. So this is white oak. I mean, you can kind of see. It's actually a very good edge. Now, the longevity might, you know, not really be there, but if it only takes a couple of minutes, I mean, a couple of seconds really, you can, I mean, watch how fast I can corner around this thing with a scraper. I'm getting real shavings are coming off of this. You know, if I stop one, if I wasn't such a spaz, you can see all these. Yeah, it's that easy.